Hey up, I'm Nott'm last and we've just arrived at Castleton Visitor Centre car park for my first ever group walk with Winnats Travels. They're hosting it and I'm so excited to meet new people and to explore Castleton. This is so exciting. Bring it on. As you can tell, it's a very, very windy day. So I don't know if you can hear me or not. Hopefully you can. Hey! So, this is a great place to park. There's toilets, there's a visitor centre, and it's massive. I think it holds like 120 car parking spaces, so yeah, great. Also, I'm filming on the GoPro today as it's easier and I want to keep up with the rest of the gang. Yeah, so no drones today, guys. It's too windy for that as well. So it's a pretty good turnout. It's gonna be a good day. It's so windy. So the walk is about around 4 miles, and what we're going to be doing is going past all of the cabins. So the Speedwell Cavern, Peak Cavern, Speedwell Cavern, Treat Cavern and Blue John. So we're going to be going past all of them and just taking in the views. There is a bit of Treat Cavern where it does elevate a little bit, so I'm quite mindful because it's windy, we need to be careful and it's a single track up there. So I think when we do get to that bit, we'll assess it. We'll assess the situation and see what it's like. So as Lou just said, the walk is 4 miles long and it's quite a ascent up with a single track and it's very windy today, so let's see what happens. But yeah, great turnout. Let's go! Oh, this hat's the best thing ever. I've got it in. If you can't hear me, I'm very sorry. Be sure to go and hit that subscribe button, guys. It all helps. And make sure to go and subscribe to Winnats Travels as well. Anything to say?
We are just admiring the view of the most photographed, well, area that we've seen on Facebook for Derbyshire.
It's amazing. So here we are at Peak Cavern, also known as the Devil's Arse. Yeah, wow. This is Lou, everyone. She's the host.
Hi, I'm Lou. Today I'm going to be your tour guide.
That is perfect. So I think the rain is sweeping in. My legs are starting to hurt already. Trust me, it's because the wind's like pushing against us, so yeah. So it's really, really rainy now, very windy. Currently deciding whether to go up Winnats Pass or not. But we're next to Speedwell Cabin right now.
Yeah. Oh, what a shame it's so windy.
Thank you. Cabin.
Just want to point out Speedwell Cabin here. That's one of these, that's the second cabin on the wall. That's one of our favourites. What's your favourite? Well, my favourite. The reason why is because you get to go in a boat and go underground.
Oh wow, that's
and
cool.
It's amazing. You see it like yeah.
So, I've never actually walked up Winnats Pass. I only ever drove up there. So, pretty excited to see it all in all its glory. Yeah, I feel like getting blown over. Thank you.
See, I don't think we should go up that way. Oh my god.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So we've aborted Winnats Pass and now we're going down the broken road.
We're heading towards it, yeah.
Heading towards it, sorry. Okay. Make sure to go and hit that subscribe button, guys. If you're enjoying this walk and seeing me getting thrown all over the place by wind, then yeah. So Deb's at home today. She fell over and really hurt her leg, so she's missing this. And to be fair, I don't think this would be kind of a thing, this wind at all. So yeah. Hold on for dear life.
Everybody grab hold. That's a very wobbly camera work, aren't you?
Anything to say? I'm making a little vlog today. It's very windy, isn't it?
It's hugely windy. One of the windiest walks I've ever done.
What's your name?
Laura.
Laura, I'm Lucy. the steps. Quick.
Not on the entire spot.
So, on the road now. Yeah. So the wind's picked up again. Yeah.
We must all be the hardcore lot. What do you think? I'm trying to remember the last time I was out in anything this strong, this low down.
Good luck with your vlog, you're not going to win.
Bonkers was that?
Anything to say to the camera?
I'll tell you what, that never got put away though, did it? No, I've been watching you. You've had it out all the time.
Of course I have.
I know. Where you guys from? Whoa, where?
Nottingham.
Alright,
How
okay,
about you?
cool. Liverpool.
Oh, nice.
You've got to send me this footage.
Oh, go on YouTube.
YouTube, yeah.
Go on, the Nott'm lass.
The who?
The Nott'm lass.
The Nottingham lass.
Tell you what, I'll give you a magnet.
Give me a magnet, yeah.
Which one would you like?
Ooh. It's got to be the one. It's got to be the one with you on it.
Okay, there we go.
All right, so this is who I'm looking for.
Yeah, that's who you're
Thank you very
looking for.
much. Where am I sticking this on the
fridge?
on
put
the
it on
fridge?
Your fridge, yeah. So we're going to the pub now. This is just absolutely horrendous. That guy I was talking to, Nick, he's like a tour guide. He goes all over the place, and he was on Mantour today. Well, walking around Mantour, and he said that it was very, very dangerous. And he's also going to the pub right now. So thanks for saying a few words, Nick. It was nice to meet you, and I hope you enjoy the magnet. So we're now at the bottom of Winnats Pass, obviously like a wind tunnel. This is the bottom of it, so it's very, very windy. I don't know how I've kept filming this whole time. It's ridiculous. My gosh. Massive thank you to Lou and Knowles Travels for organising and hosting this walk. It's been absolutely amazing. The wind has been an experience, but overall just amazing. Can't wait for the next one. Go subscribe to Lou and Noel. Link here. Thanks guys. Woo. Nice to meet you all on the walk. Nice bunch. That is the end of our walk. If you enjoyed this video, comment, like, share. Make sure to go and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!